Maldonado flying out to center his first time up. How about tonight? A couple of 77s on the mat.
Yeah, that is kind of odd, huh?
I don't know if I've ever seen that.
Yeah, not by choice. You know, usually you see those number 77s going at it in those Septembers when rosters would expand. But a couple of guys making the option to have the number 77 as that last pitch came in at 77.
Did it?
Yep.
That's so perfect. Like we planned it.
Can't help it. It's what we do.
I feel like Seagram should have sponsored that pitch.
Ooh, like it. If you give me 10 minutes, I could have it sponsored.
Martin Maldonado down on 0-2. So I look up 77 on Wikipedia, and it tells me, I have no idea how this came out. It tells me it's a Blum Integer.
Stop it.
If you go Wikipedia's the number 77.
Everybody, if you have Alexa at home, hey Alexa, Google 77.
What's a Blum Integer? Even a better question.
I had no idea I had one.
You have a Blum Integer. There's a called strike.
What just happened? It's not even after dark yet.
I know. I'm kind of. We don't know if the 77s will still be in there for after dark, so we got to get it out of the way now.
Oh my goodness.
It's probably not even pronounced Blum. It's probably some mathematician that pronounces his name Bloom, but it's spelled the same way as your number or as your name. But a Blum Integer, because both 7 and 11 are Gaussian primes, according to Wikipedia, that the number 77 is a Blum Integer. Go figure.
This is amazing.
Here's Jose Altuve. I'm sure there's somebody on Twitter that's much more math savvy than me. Although I like my math, but I've never heard of Blum Integer before. Who can explain a Blum Integer better? So go ahead. If you have any more information, send it our way.
Yeah, I was going to say, maybe we'll have to ask Mr. Ferguson. Just popped on our screen at the game today in Seattle.
Big hat?
Yep. Big fan of Jeopardy. He might know.
He usually had a negative score in those.
What is a Blum Integer?
Yes.
For 1,000.
So congratulations, Blummer. Now you know something you didn't know. 2-0 to Altuve. There's a called strike. It's 2-1.
Yeah, I did not know that.
It's almost like somebody set me up. I'm like, what can... I mean, there's other facts about it, like the sum of 3 consecutive squares is 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 6 squared is 77. There's other facts there, but the fact that it was a Blum Integer, like, come on.
Well, and it's, I'm not sure how to pronounce, I pronounce it Blum, but the integers were named for a computer scientist, Manuel Blum. Venezuelan American computer scientist.
There you go.
I'm smarter now, I think.
I think you're related to a mathematician. That's
I now need my own analytic algorithm. I got to one-up Manuel here.
If only you knew that before your playing days, you could have worn 77.
Seriously. Well, I'm looking through the numbers. First few Blum Integers are 21, 33, 57, but
oh, there's a lot of them, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
77 just happens to be one of them.
There you go. So you never wore the 21 and all the other numbers like pitchers numbers.
No, I wore number 50 when I broke in. There we go. That's all you need to know. Just check out Michael's Twitter feed.
Look at that.
I have to retweet that. I'm claiming it.
How good are our fans?
They're amazing.
3-2 pitches skied high in the air into right field. Playable for Mitch Haniger. And he'll put it away. On we go to the bottom half of the 4th inning. That is not a Blum Integer. It's 2-1 Astros. We went further down a wormhole, didn't we, during the commercial break?
Yeah, I got lost, and it's creepy.
It's really bizarre.
Yeah.
Like, way bizarre.
I have the same birthday as Manuel, who invented the Blum Integer.
Come on.
He was born in 1938, but we share April 26th. Guess where he taught at for a while? The University of California at Berkeley.
Come on.
Yeah.
What is going on?
He's currently 83 years old. And guess what my first number in big league camp ever was? Number 83.
This is really weird.
Yeah, it's creepy, dude. This got really weird real quick.
Blum Integer. Manuel Blum, born on your birthday.
April 26th, 1938.
Taught at Cal.
Yep.
Shortly after you were there. Like, not shortly.
Bit, like 7 years after.
But maybe on a year you happen to be visiting the campus. Maybe you were there at the same time.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Yeah, it says he taught there up until 2001, so there's a good chance we may have crossed paths, yeah.
And 83 years old, and that was your first number.
Yeah.
That's bizarre. Haniger thrown out by Luis Garcia. I cannot believe where we've gone to with this number 77 thing, but that is crazy. Luis Garcia and Chris Flexen, the two starting pitchers, wearing 77.
Who knew it was going to end up there?
There you go.
Yeah. What the heck? This is madness.
And it's not even Astros After Dark yet.
No.
Or
everybody's intrigued, though. I appreciate it.
we need more Blum Integers in our life. It's also the atomic number of iridium.
Of course it is.
There are not enough characters in Twitter to explain a Blum Integer.
Yeah, that is true.
But that is really bizarre.
That's amazing. Yeah, I'm not sure what to, and I'm going to have to go, to one of those websites and give a DNA sample to see if we're not related somehow.
There's a changeup off the plate. And it counts 1-1.